Hello, this is Dave Barnish, the Creative Midlife Man, and this is your 60-second inspirational. Take a look around you. Look up to the tops of the trees, look up to the sky. Take out your earbuds, put away your phone, and spend 60 seconds walking around and simply looking at your environment. Go outside if you can, but if not, just look around you inside. And you'll understand very quickly how very inspirational the world is. Take it all in, good and bad, because you are a part of this world. And you, like it, are beautiful in so many different ways. Have a great day.